Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Ravi's Academy. In today's virtual class, we will be discussing a problem on projections of solids. It's a topic of engineering drawing and of course engineering graphics for all first year students. And see that this particular problem is, now draw the projections of hexagonal prism. It's a hexagonal prism, base with 25 mm and height with 60 mm, and it is resting on HP such that, and it is on the one of the corner and resting on its base on HP, and that corner is the axis is making an angle 45 degrees with horizontal plane. So let us understand very clearly, this is a two-stage problem. Whenever the axis is inclined to one of the plane HP, let us say here, you have to make it in the initial position perpendicular to horizontal plane, so that you are able to see both the end faces. That means the top end face is visible, and that is your regular hexagon, bottom end face is hidden. So in the initial position, the very first step of the drawing is you have to draw the end view, that is top end as well as base. You are keeping that axis perpendicular to the plane. So that is your first step, and from that you get the projected view in the front view, that is a rectangle, and rearrange that rectangle with required angle with the horizontal plane 45 degrees, and after completing that, draw the vertical projectors and horizontal projectors, so that you are going to get the required top view as per your criteria given in the problem. So let us start with the first step of the problem. Let us draw the horizontal reference line, that is xy, and this problem you are going to solve in two stages. First stage is you have to draw the top view. Well below xy, you have to draw the hexagon. Let us draw the hexagon with the circle method. Let us draw the circle with the radius is equals to, edge is given 25 mm. So with 25 mm as radius, draw the circle, and it is said to be corner based problem. So you are keeping that corner, that means you are going to draw the horizontal diameter, and this is one end, the other end left end. So right end as center with the same radius 25 mm, cut above and below, and this as center, left end as center, cut above and below. So join all this in proper sequence, you are going to get the required hexagon that you have to mark with HB pencil. I am marking with HB pencil. My red color chalk is for HB pencil. So let us look at this. You got the regular hexagon such that it is resting on the corner. Let us give the nomenclature, names of the corners. I am starting here. It is, I am marking top and face with alphabets. I am calling it as corner A, B, C, D, E and F, which is visible top and face, and you have bottom also identical face, that is base, and that I am calling it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bottom end face I have given numbers, top end face I have given alphabets to distinguish very clearly. So let us draw the projector from the midpoint and draw the axis line, and this is the height is given. Let us look at that 60 mm. Along this axis line, measure 60 mm and complete the this rectangle. Draw the projectors and complete this 60 mm height, right, and draw the projectors from these two corners and project it, and this is your longer edge, visible longer edge overlapped with the hidden. Here also draw the projector and project it, you will get this. So your front view is completed. Let us give the names for the corners. It is the top end face EB, so this is your A prime, B prime, C prime and D prime. E prime is hidden, keep in parentheses, and F prime also keep in parentheses. This is hidden. In top end face, so this is the direction of the view. So both these corners are not visible, that you have kept in parentheses. Similarly, the bottom end face, give the numbers for it. So this is your 1 prime, 2 prime is visible, 6 prime is hidden. 3 prime is visible and 5 prime is hidden, and this is your 4 prime. So, this completes your first stage of the problem, keeping axis, the base is on HP such that axis perpendicular. So, let us redraw such that the angle axis is making 45 degrees. That means this edge axis is making an angle 45. So, this edge 4 prime D prime is also parallel to this, it is making an angle 45 degrees. So, let us draw a line at an angle 45 degrees. Mark 4 prime, this is your 4 prime, and height it is given. So, you please mark the dimensions also. This base edge is given 25 mm, it is 25 mm, and height is given 60 mm, it is 60 mm, it is height is given 60 mm. So, mark the dimensions, and 4 prime, this is at a distance, this is your D prime. Using mini drafter, erect a perpendicular to it, and again here also, and this length 4 prime to 1 prime. So, let us locate this is on this and complete the rectangle, and with the help of compass locate your 3 prime, this is 3 prime, and axis line 8 to 8 notation, and then 2 prime. So, this is somewhere here, it is 2 prime, and of course 6 prime is hidden, this is 1 prime. So, let us mark all this, it is a 3 prime and 5 prime is hidden, 4 prime. So, similarly draw the edges, visible edges. So, this is your A prime, B prime, C prime and D prime, this is E prime and this is F prime. So, you have reproduced the solid with the axis inclined at an angle 45 degrees. The axis is inclined at an angle 45 degrees. And now, in order to get the final top view, draw the vertical projectors and horizontal projectors, and this you can make, I am using again HB pencil. In first stage, and of course the second stage also mark with the HB pencil. I am using a color chalk to denote it. And draw the, with the 2H pencil, draw the vertical projectors and the horizontal projectors. Let me draw horizontal projector and horizontal projector, right, and draw the vertical projectors from each corner of the solid and locate, this is bottom end face, you have given numbers, it is 1 and 1, this is your 1 and the other end is 4, this is 1, this is 4, and 2 and 3, this is 2 and this is 3. Similarly, here it is 5 and 6, you have located all the points. You see that 2 and 6 on the same projector. This is 1, 2, 6, 3, 5 and 4. Similarly, the top end face, draw the vertical projector from each corner and locate the points of intersection. Now, as you know, it is A. So, here this is your A, B, and of course, it is, this is C, D, E and F. You have located all the corners. Now, join in proper sequence. We are joining in 3 steps. The very first step is draw the border lines of the solid. Border lines, there is no border lines, there is no need of any analysis, simply you can join without any analysis. I am using HB pencil, I am joining the border lines. Let us observe 2 to, you can go up to C, and this is the border line and this is the border line. So, you have joined all the border lines using HB pencil. Your second step is join the top end face in which you have all visible edges. Top end face is completely visible, that is with alphabet. So, you can join with HB pencil and AB as well AF, all others are already joined with the border lines. Now, bottom end face, observe carefully here 3, 4 and 4, 5 which are not visible in top view, 3, 4 and 4, 5 base edges. Similarly, 4D also, the longitudinal edge also not visible. So, this you have to join with the dashed line. So, it is a 3, 4, you have to draw 4 to 4, 2 and 4, 5, this is also you have to draw 4 to 4, 2 and longer edge of 4D. So, 4D is hidden, but observe carefully your 1A is, this is visible, and this portion which is hidden you can mark with a dashed line. So, this completes the problem. I hope you understood this problem. So, let us practice it. Thank you for watching this video.